Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so as from the title you guys must be already knowing about today's video, but then also I'll just share all the equipments which I use for my YouTube channel as well as for my Instagram. So I'll just share all the equipments here and there, and yes, for the beginners and for the ones who are planning to start a YouTube channel, these equipments are literally of no use for you guys, because first thing, just be firm with your content and your uploads and everything. Firstly, when I started, I used my cell phone, which was normal phone and nothing else. That's it. And yes, even I used to edit my videos on phone. I was having laptop, but later I started using laptop for editing stuffs. But phone, if you have phone, you can start your YouTube channel and grow on Instagram as well. So just start with whatever you have. And yes, there are other people who usually ask me, who are growing YouTubers, who ask me that what all things I use. I'll put all the things in the description box which I have got from Amazon, and if not from Amazon, I'll just find a good one and put the link of that as well in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Okay, so the first thing I would like to share is this case. This is a memory case. So I have memory card over here which I have got from Amazon again. And yes, you can put all your memory cards in this. I have two memory cards. One which is already inserted inside the camera, and the second one is here over here. So that's what I use for memory card. For my camera, I use Canon 200D and lens which is normal, which I got with camera, that is 55mm, the normal lens. And yes, that's all for the equipments. And the next thing which I use for Instagram is this, for reels and everything, is this selfie stick, and the tripod for vlogs as well. I use this selfie stick. I have a video of this. I'll put the link in the description box of that video as well, and the product as well. So this is the product which I use when I take vlogs and when I click pictures or reels. Now the tripod which I am using, wait, I'll show you guys. And the tripod which I am using is of this much height, and yes, this is really useful. This is for my camera and I just love this tripod. Next is this ring light which I have got from Amazon, again for good lighting purpose. This also has a tripod, and you can even insert a phone over here. I have another equipment. I'll put the link of this video in the description box. I have a separate video for this ring light. So I have two tripods, one for ring light and one for camera. I use both for my YouTube, and for reels I just showed you the selfie stick and the tripod for reels on Instagram. Okay, so for mic, I use this collar mic which is from Boya. I'll put the link of this as well in the description box. This is amazing mic, but you can see the mess over here. ये mess clear करने का भी time नहीं मिला है. Okay, on ring light I have three shades color lights, which is yellow, white and warm. I use warm or white usually for my YouTube videos. For YouTube editing videos I use Adobe Premiere Pro, the latest version. And for editing my pictures I use PixArt most of the times on my phone itself, or Photoshop, depends on the type of photo. And to edit my reels I use InShot application on my phone itself. Yes, I edit my all the reels on phone as well as click all the reels on phone itself. And if you ask me, I have two phones. One is iPhone 11 and other one is MI K20. Both are good phones and I just like shooting on phone itself as well. And for laptop, if you ask me, I use Dell Inspiron. You can use any good laptop for editing your videos. Okay guys, that was all for today, and these all the equipments which I use and which I do need. And for backdrop, yes, sometimes I even use a pink backdrop, which I have a separate video as well. So if you want, you can just buy that backdrop also from Amazon itself. Yes, most of the things are from Amazon. So, and yes, Amazon is superb. Cheers to Amazon. Yes, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if this video was useful, do hit like to this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's connect and have fun and learn something every week. Bye bye. See you in next video.